Hello, welcome. Today we are going to talk about the paper called face recognition using a spare printing classification algorithm. So this paper will be published in the year of 2017, and the main aim of the project is to introduce a new unsupervised feature learning approach to learn hierarchical feature representation for the face recognition. The main problem in this face recognition is to finding the recognition of the face is most difficult in nowadays. So for this application we are going to introduce a new classifications methodologies is like locality projections like LPP. So here we are going to divide the each image into number of pixels, or it may be the grid. So each grid or a pixel will be compared with the data sets, all the large number of data sets. When the given input is given, it will be compared with a large number of data sets in a database. So these all the things will be maintained by admin. So you can see here the image will be divided into number of pixels, so or it may be the grid, and that will be each block will be compared with all the database grids. So here is a comparison of all the data sets. So even here they're telling about the different facial expressions, different kinds of facial expression if the person is wearing a specs, or it may be a smiling faces. So here we can achieve the different poses of the faces. So since same thing, we are this paper will be having a synopsis like aim of the project and main abstractions, introductions, and we'll be having a problem statement and existing system of what we have currently and what you are going to approach in the proposed system. So these are the hardware requirements which we are used to develop and these applications. So this application is developed with the help of the IDEs called Eclipse, and we have an applications like so face recognition LPP, and we have SRC, and this application is basically like core Java applications, that is means window based applications. And you'll be having two actors here, one is admin and a user. So admin is going to maintain all the data sets of the particular faces, and user will be giving a query image, and that will be compared, divided into number of grids, and this will be compared with all the data sets images. So here we have all user end, and we have a user part. Let me run the application here, run as Android Java applications. Okay, so this will be used using a JPanels and the JFrames, and this admin panel. We have a user ID and a password, and this will be checked with a MySQL server, that is a backend database. So authentication. So here is the face recognition is space. You'll be having administrator. So here admin can add all the members who can access these applications, and you'll be having you can have the rights, admin has the rights to delete that particular members. And here is a employee ID, employee name, and these are the details where the image path will be given here. So it's like 10 021, that's the employee ID, and here Errol is the username, and the date of birth 09-02-2000. So here mail, so we can give the address of the employee, and the role Java developer. Over here JavaScript, job descriptions like developer, and the image path. So this image path will be stored all the trained images will be in a trained data sets. These are the number of trained data sets which we have. So these images will be in the format of PGM format. That will be everything will be divided in the form of PGM format. So let's start. I'll take this image. So I am giving the path of the image and joining it and insert. This will be the employee detail inserted successfully to the database, and change password and a logout option here. So once we comes to the user run for query image, run as Android application, Java application, sorry. So here I have a member bond. Once admin is registered, you'll get a user ID and a password here. So here I am giving a image of test query images. All the images I am keeping input images in the test folder. So it will read the face in the form of PGM image. It will read and it will match with the data sets, and it will particularly match the image with the grid, and this is the number of pixels comparison which is having a minimum distance. It will take out that minimum if even, and it will fetch the particular record details here. So let's take the different facial expression. So he is not wearing the specs. Now it is matching with. So this is my query image, and matching image is this one. So even though they have a facial expression difference, we can accurately fetch the images data sets. So using the locality projection LPP algorithms. So thank you for watching.